Hey collage crew, welcome back to Pro Tips on PicCollage. Last time, we showed you different ways to edit your photos with filters and overlays. Today, we'll dive into photo editing tools that will help transform and refine your photos. To find these tools in PicCollage, once you're in the app, just tap the teal plus button at the bottom. These are the magic tools we'll be using in this video. Let's dive right in! Don't want to let random objects ruin your perfect shot? Try using magic erase to get rid of them. Tap on the feature, select the photo you want to edit, and simply draw over what you want to erase. You can also adjust the brush size for more precision. When you're done, tap the check mark, let it work its magic, and poof! All gone! Just remember to save when you're finished. We all take photos and realize they're in the wrong size or wish we could see more of it. Magic Expand can help. Just tap on the feature, add the photo you want to edit, and select the dimension you want. You can also move and resize the original photo in the box here to change how much of it you want expanded. When you're happy with your selection, just tap the check mark and let the magic happen. All you need to do now is tap the big check mark and remember to save your edited photo. Have you ever taken a great photo only to find the background to be really messy? The Remove Background tool is your friend. Just tap on it, select the photo you want to edit, and let it do its magic. Now you have the background removed. You can either export this cutout as it is, or change the background to something else and even make a collage using the cutout. Whatever you choose to do with it, tap Done and save it to your phone. Took some great photos but later realized you weren't centered? Happens to the best of us. Just use Magic Lift for the quick fix. Tap on the Magic Lift button, add your photo, and watch the magic happen. Now the subject and the background are separated. You can move them around and rescale them to your liking. When you're happy with it, just tap Done and remember to save. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more collaging tips. Thanks, PicCollage crew!